In this example, we want to write the equation of the line that passes through the given point that satisfies the given condition. So let's see what's given to us. So we have a point and we have an undefined slope. So we want to write some equation that has this point and has a slope that's undefined. So let's first talk about an undefined slope. Well, an undefined slope, as we know from our previous lesson, is that it is a vertical line. Okay, we know that it's going to be a vertical line, and it has to go to the point 2, -1. So check this out. Let's go ahead and plot the point 2, -1. Okay, and the only reason why that I'm graphing it is just to visually represent this. You don't have to graph it because the directions don't call for us to graph it, but just so we can see what's going on here. So we want a vertical line that goes through that point. All right, so I'll go ahead and we'll do a vertical line right there, and we'll put our little arrows. All right, what is the equation of this line? Well, we also learned in a previous lesson that any vertical line is always going to be x equals, and it's going to go through the x coordinate, right? So the x coordinate is 2, so it's x equals 2. If I had a vertical line that was this guy right here, that equation would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So x equals -4. Okay, and this guy right here is x equals 2. So if it's a vertical line, then it's going to be x equals and then whatever that x coordinate is. All right, let's check out part B. So we have the point 6, 3. I'm just going to go and plot that. And then up 3. All right, cool. And we have a 0 slope. Well, we've learned that a 0 slope is a horizontal line. So we're going to go ahead and just graph a horizontal line that goes through that coordinate point right there. And now we're not going to say x equals now, but now we're going to use y equals, and then it's going to go through the y value 3. All right. And just for another example here, say if I had an equation like that, then that equation would be y equals, and then what we're going to do is just count what y value that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So y equals -6. Maybe this should probably be down just a tad bit more there. There we go.